arrangements have been made for the smooth conduct of elections to the Lone Lok Sabha in Nagaland, where over 13.25 lakh voters on Friday will decide the fate of 3 candidates in the fray. BJP President JP Nadda, Nagaland Chief Minister Nepirio, Deputy Chief Minister TR Ziliang and Y. Paton addressed several rallies in support of their candidate. Congress leader Jairam Ramesh and Randeep Singh Surjewala, along with other IICC leaders, have campaigned for Congress candidate Supong Marin Jamir. Polling will start at 7 am and will end at 4 pm in the evening, an official said. The Eastern Nagaland People's Organization ENPO, under the authority of Eastern Nagaland Public Emergency, today called for an indefinite total shutdown all over Eastern Nagaland jurisdiction, that is from 6 pm of April 18. The Eastern Nagaland People's Organization has issued a plea to the Eastern Nagaland Legislative Union (ENLU) and the public, urging them to respect the decision to abstain from the upcoming elections. Congress candidate for Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency Dr. Angom Jambimol Akoijam once again found himself amidst chaos as armed miscreants disrupted his election meeting at Kumbi Kuga Lekha in Vishnupur district. This marks the second occasion where Akoijam public gathering was marred by gunshots. The incident, occurring at approximately 3:45 pm, follows a similar disruption during Akoijam meeting in Moirang last week. Expressing his dismay and frustration, Dr. Akoijam disclosed the extent of the threats he faces, including personal attacks on his family. They even came to my house and threatened me, he said. Enforcement Directorate today alleged that Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is deliberately eating high sugar food to increase his sugar level. The agency has claimed that Kejriwal wants to create a ground for bail, citing fluctuations in his blood sugar level. In a shocking incident at Guwahati Medical College Hospital GMCH, a pregnant woman was reportedly assaulted, allegedly by a doctor. The accused is Dr. Abhishek Mahajan, a patient care technician PCT at the Obstetrics and Gynecology ONG department. Images of the revelation of the incident, GMCH Superintendent Abhijit Sarma issued a notification confirming the formation of an inquiry committee. Ukraine Prime Minister Denis Shamal warned there will be a third world war if Ukraine loses war against Russia and urged US lawmakers to pass the long-stalled $60.84 million aid bill for Ukraine. If will not protect, Ukraine will fall, so the global system of security will be destroyed, he said. There will be many conflicts. It could lead to third world war, he added. Real Madrid defeated Manchester City 4-3 on penalties after the second match of Champions League 2023-2024 quarter-finals ended 1-1, resulting in the tie initially ending 4-4 on aggregate. Madrid recorded the first win at Manchester City Etihad Stadium, which resulted in Manchester City's unbeaten run in Champions League ending after 22 games. Mateo Kovacic and Bernardo Silva missed penalties.